Hi guys! So for today's video, I will teach you how to pay your PAG-IBIG MP2 via Gcash. So it's just very simple. Just follow the steps. Let's get started. First step, you need to open your Gcash app. Then select nyo lang yung pay bills na makikita nyo rin sa homepage. After selecting pay bills, ito na yung makikita ninyo. Hanapin nyo lang yung government. After that guys, hanapin nyo lang yung PAG-IBIG and then you need to click it. Then, there you go, nandito na kayo guys and you need to select the type of account. Modified PAG-IBIG 2 savings dapat yung nakalagay dyan. Then guys, kailangan yung i-input yung mga information like account number, yung 12-digit na account number ninyo, and then yung amount, and then yung date covered ng binabayaran ninyo. In my case, ang monthly ko ay 1,000, so ang ilalagay ko na amount is 1,000 din. For the date covered guys, kailangan lang ng month and year, so you can input April 1, 2020 to April 30, 2020 kasi date and month lang naman yung nandito. Lagay nyo na rin yung email nyo for receipt purposes. Kung okay na guys, na-check nyo na, click nyo na yung next, and then i-recheck nyo ulit. Kung okay na, wala nang mali, i-confirm nyo, and then there you go. Makakabayad na kayo ng PAG-IBIG 2 savings ninyo. Then, makaka-receive kayo ng SMS from Gcash. And then, ito yung receipt ninyo. Mapapadala rin siya sa email ninyo. So guys, makikita ninyo sa Gcash app ninyo yung processing ng bill payment status ninyo. 3 days banking pa lang siya bago mag-reflect sa inyong MP2 savings. And then, ayun, okay na, wala na kayong problema, hindi nyo na kailangan pumunta pa sa PAG-IBIG or payment center. So yun guys, napaka-easy, you don't need to go out or go to different payment centers. As long as na meron kang balance sa Gcash mo, makakapagbayad ka ng MP2 savings mo. For more tutorial videos, kindly click the subscribe button and visit my YouTube channel as well for more travel, financial literacy, education, and informative video content. Stay safe, strong, and sane guys. Bye!